I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with safety. Disarm the ADT panel and put the system in stay or off, so the lock change won't trigger alerts. Next, locate the interior cover. Some locks have 2 screws, others slide off. Remove screws and set them aside. Once the cover is free, look at the battery compartment and confirm the type printed on the label. Many units use 9V or 4 AA cells. You're now positioned to remove the old battery without rushing. You'll pull the battery out gently, noting how the connector sits. This orientation is critical. Once removed, discard the old pack and prepare fresh batteries. High-quality alkaline or lithium cells avoid voltage sag. Install them matching polarity and plug the connector back in until it clicks. If it feels loose, unplug and realign, don't force it. Once seated, push the battery into its compartment so the cover will fit flush. Make sure wiring is tucked away to prevent pinching. After closing the cover and securing screws, rearm or disarm the system to test the lock. You should hear motor action and see status change. If nothing happens, reopen and confirm the connector is fully seated and batteries show correct voltage. Once done, check the control panel for error codes. Clear any warnings, then retest. If problems continue, power cycle the main panel and retry. If still unresolved, contact ADT.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.